Maniniwala ba kayo kapag sinabi kong you only need 3 ingredients to make this cookie, and this is a beginner friendly kasi this is just my second time baking a cookies, yet it turned out good. Well, not perfect as I want it to be, but as a beginner, guys, this is such a huge achievement. Kailangan lang natin ng flour, Nutella, and since ayoko mag-pure Nutella, kahit anong chocolate naman, guys. But for this, I use Nutella and hazelnut. Mas nalaman ko lang yung Nutella ay yung sa cacao powder naman, guys. That is optional. I also add 1 egg. When it comes to measurement, I'm not really sure about it. Pero basta ma-achieve ko lang yung butter na talagang ginagamit for cookies. Kaya naglagay lang ako ng konting harina for that kasi parang hindi pa siya yung gusto ko na consistency. And since I don't have baking sheet na, like naubusan ako, I just use the tray para hindi siya mag-stick. My first batch, it's actually so liit. So, mas nilakayan ko siya sa second. And mas nasarap siya kapag mas malaki, guys. Kasi nga parang soft siya sa inside and crunchy on the outside. You can also add chocolate chips or anything kasi it's masarap.